Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on disassembling the barrel flashlight. There's just a couple steps to taking it apart and putting it back together, and I wanted to go over those really quickly. The only tool I'll be using in this video, besides the Torx to take the clip off, would be an O-ring pick, and that's to take the O-ring off that holds the ring in place. So we'll start by taking the head of the light off, and you'll notice the threads are a little longer on the barrel lights than some other lights, and that's the reason behind that is for some additional waterproofing with the longer threads. Once you have the head off, then from there you can take your battery out, and you'll notice this O-ring that holds the ring in place. The best way to get that O-ring off is I just apply a little pressure with this thumb, and then I'll take and I'll poke the O-ring, and then I'll push it towards my thumb, which causes this little loop. And then from there, I'll roll that down just so I can get a hold of it. And then you'll see it just comes right off. Once you have that O-ring off, you can then take your ring off, and then you have the inner sleeve. The inner sleeve, there is a little trick to getting that out. Basically, you can stick your finger inside and apply some pressure on the inside of the sleeve. And then if you turn the light while you're pulling and applying pressure on the inside, you'll see that that pops right out. There are two O-rings on the inside. There's one at the top where the sleeve hits at the top, and there's one at the bottom, and that's for waterproofing on the light. So you'll notice those are in there. If one ever comes out, the best way to get them back in is to really just set them inside and then use the inner sleeve to kind of push down and push them back into place. But they're just inside the light here, and they're what caused that resistance when you're trying to pull out the inner sleeve. To put the inner sleeve back in, just do the opposite. Go back in and then just kind of twist as you push, and the sleeve will go back into place. From there, reinstall your ring. From there, reinstall your O-ring. And you don't want to roll this O-ring over these threads. These threads can be sharp, so you want to be careful not to just roll it up and down over top of the O-ring, or up over top of the threads, because you can damage the O-ring. So from there, we'll put our battery back in. We'll put our head back on, and then our light is back together. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post below, and thanks for watching.